Notice these low-level clouds that are coming over right here. These look like some feeder bands that could possibly be part of a tornado. They're sort of disorganized. But this is a very interesting cloud formation, to say the least. You've got very dense cumulus clouds up above, and you've got those feeder band clouds a couple of 100 yards above the ground, and they're moving real fast, and I don't see any spin anywhere in our area, but it'd be a perfect place for it to form. And I'm sure John Astle would love to be here right now to give us more details on what he's seeing. Looks like the front's moving on through, getting a little more lightning. Lightning is a little east of Chadburn. This cloud formation came right over. We haven't had any severe formations.